Hello, Chef here with another recipe for you, another free recipe. Please click that like button. The like button helps other people find the recipes. So I got this beautiful chicken breast here. I'm going to make it into chicken au pois. Au pois is French. It means with peppercorns. Really good au pois, you use green peppercorns in the brine like this one. Yeah. Oh, and because it's French, I'm using a French knife. This one's made in France. All right, we're gonna take the garlic and give it a smash like this. Remove the peels and just give it a real quick chopping like this, just like a nice thin slice. There we go, that's what I'm looking for. French style. Okay, for the chicken breast, I'm going to it's already been cleaned pretty good. I'm going to make cutlets. So I'll just start with a piece like this right here and move on with another one like this. Okay. That's another French word for you. Côtelette. There we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looking good. This one here needs to be butterflied, maybe thinned out a little bit. There we go. All right. I'm going to take and pound these out very quickly, and for that you can use a mallet or your hand. You just want to get them a little bit flatter, about like this. So this is a nice cutlet right here, okay? Okay, French style, we put the chicken in the flour and we flour the cutlet like this. Okay, I got some melted butter in the pan. When the pan is nice and hot, cutlet goes in like this. And you let it cook. Oh, it's looking really good. So we turn it once like this. Let it continue to cook. I'm adding sea salt, I'm adding a tablespoon of peppercorn, and the garlic. At this point I'm adding 1 ounce of chicken stock, sounds delicious. The finished French chicken. Serving it in this French dish. Here we go. A little bit of this garlic peppercorn natural reduction. Oh yeah. How does that look? Please leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. More recipes to come.